To create a classroom, go to classroom.google.com. From here, click on the plus sign in the top right corner. Click Create Class. Here you're going to put the name of your class. Be sure to include your name, school year, grade. So I might say Mr. Tolman's 3rd grade rock stars 20 to 2021. For section, if you're in elementary, put the year. Or if you're in junior high or high school, you can put the period. For subject, I'll put multiple subjects. For the room, this is where you're going to put the physical room or identifying this as a virtual classroom. And then click Create.